How's it going, my Techie Nation? We're near to the launch of the Galaxy S25 series, and it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting series releases ever as Samsung is expanding the lineup to 4 models. But there's some serious drama behind the scenes. Their long-standing goal of bringing Exynos back has hit a major setback. According to recent reports from Korea, Samsung's 3nm chip yield is below 20%. That's a huge problem for a flagship launch. Here's where it gets wild. Samsung is rumored to be considering outsourcing Exynos production to TSMC, their biggest rival in the chip market. TSMC building Exynos chips. Damn, it's a huge blow to Samsung's pride, but a win for us because it means Snapdragon 8 Elite for all models. On the software side, One UI 7 is almost ready. The Galaxy S24 series has been spotted testing the beta, but the S25 series will likely launch with One UI 7.1, introducing exciting new AI features. And speaking of Snapdragon, the latest Geekbench 6 scores for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's US model are incredible. ICE Universe has also confirmed that every S25 model worldwide will run on Snapdragon 8 Elite, ensuring top-tier performance no matter where you are. Now, let's talk colors. Samsung is delivering its most vibrant lineup yet, featuring bold new shades and exclusive online-only options. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And finally, Samsung could be working on a tri-folding smartphone for 2025. South Korean media hints at bold new risks under potential leadership changes, possibly setting the stage for innovative devices. Exynos may be down, but Snapdragon is delivering big. Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates from Techie Nation.